After a flood. The New South Wales SES will advise you when it's safe to go back home, but you must return with caution. Floodwater can be dangerous and it may be contaminated, so always wear protective equipment for all of your tasks. Sturdy boots, long pants and long sleeves, eye protection and gloves will help to protect you. When necessary, wear a hat, sunscreen and insect repellent. Also, be aware of any slip, trip or fall hazards. When you return to your property, there are a number of things you need to think about. You need to check that your property is structurally safe before entering. Check for damage to the windows, walls and the roof, and be very cautious of contaminants such as asbestos. Before going inside your property, make sure the electricity and gas are turned off. To inspect your property, use a torch. Be aware that some of your power points, electrical equipment, appliances, or electrical hot water systems may have been exposed to floodwater or are water damaged. If this is the case, they must be inspected by a qualified electrician before use. Gas appliances and gas bottles that have been exposed to floodwater should also be inspected by a professional to ensure their safety. Never eat food that has been in contact with floodwater and flood waste. Make sure that you are only using clean utensils and clean personal items. Have a supply of fresh drinking water available to you. It's important to know that staying around your location, visiting damaged areas, can put your life and the lives of others at risk. Avoid fallen power lines. You need to stay at least 8 metres or 2 car lengths away. Check to see if your neighbours need help. If you want to learn more about recovering from floods, visit ses.newsouthwales.gov.au/recovery. For emergency assistance during a flood, storm or tsunami, call the New South Wales SES on 132 500. In a life-threatening emergency, call 000. Use the National Relay Service or another provider to make video calls or to call using text.